Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today design is luggage logo design in Illustrator. Let's get First I open my Illustrator and I'm a new voice artist, a logo river company, and open my sketch file. And I choose a color from this logo, and I select a rectangle shape. And again I select. Again it copy. And now at 4, and it's some radius it. It's okay. Then I select a path for luggage, shadow. Okay, it is perfect. Now I take shape for this page. There is still to be work, so I do it. Select a circle path. And again copy. You can do keyboard Ctrl+C. And again it copy. And I select extra side for remove. Okay, it is very perfect. I'm a new, so some mistake have it, so don't forget me. Then I extra side remove. It's okay. Then again it copy. And I take a circle path. And again A. Now I remove. Okay, it's perfect. Then I take again circle path. Again it copy. Then I extra side for remove. It's okay. It's some problem, so I remove it. And again a circle path. Okay, it is perfect. Okay, it is perfect. Then I outdo stroke. and I chose color selection. Select a text. Select Choose Font for text. Then I select text distance. Okay, it is perfect. Okay, thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel.